Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 2012 VW Jetta battery. First, disconnect the negative terminal to avoid short circuits and sparks, then remove the positive terminal. Support the battery hold down and carefully lift the old battery out using both hands. Inspect the tray and clean corrosion with a baking soda solution, then dry the area before installing the new battery securely. In this video, I will show how to replace a 2012 VW Jetta battery. Begin by gathering your tools: 10mm socket, ratchet, brush, and baking soda. Park safely and disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Remove the hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight up with a carrier strap. Clean terminals and tray thoroughly, then place the new battery in, secure the clamp, and reconnect positive then negative. In this video, I will show how to replace a 2012 VW Jetta battery. Quick recommendation: make meal prep and shop organization easier with leak-proof containers that keep small bolts and fuses from spilling, and they double as parts bins in the trunk. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace a 2012 VW Jetta battery. Set the new battery in the tray with the terminals matching the original orientation. Reinstall and snug the hold-down clamp, ensuring the battery cannot move. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and apply a light coat of terminal protectant to resist corrosion. Start the car to confirm electrical systems function and double-check all fasteners once finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.